setting the top temperature. Turn the controller on. Press the up key to enter the top temperature setting mode. The set point turns orange to indicate that it can be adjusted. Use the up and down keys to select the desired value, either with short presses or by holding the key. Press Enter to store the setting. The digits return to gray, confirming the value has been saved. Setting the floor temperature. Press the down key to enter the floor temperature setting mode. The set point turns orange, showing that the value is editable. Adjust the temperature using the up and down keys, either with short presses or by holding the key. Press Enter to save the new setting. The digits switch back to gray, confirming the floor temperature has been stored.